Welcome to Compare to Win. The best Yellow Mung Dal Organic is probably one of the most versatile and nutritious legumes you can add to your pantry, offering a delightful earthy flavor and creamy texture that transforms simple meals into wholesome culinary experiences, making it an essential ingredient for health-conscious individuals and aspiring home chefs alike seeking to elevate their everyday cooking with pure, organic goodness. Number 5. Banyan Botanicals Organic Yellow Mung Dal. Nourish your body with a gut-friendly, plant-based protein source. It's crafted from premium split mung beans, perfect for your culinary needs. Experience the ease of digestion with this wholesome ingredient. It's designed to support your digestive wellness naturally. Promote metabolic purity with every serving. This ingredient helps cleanse and revitalize your system from within. Rest assured, it's USDA organic certified. You're choosing a product that meets the highest standards of quality and purity. We use only premium split mung beans for exceptional quality. They are ideal for preparing traditional dishes like Kitchari. This convenient 2 pounds package ensures you have enough for multiple nourishing meals. Enjoy the benefits of this versatile ingredient. What we like. This option is packed with plant-based protein that's gentle on your gut. Its focus on easy digestion and metabolic purity makes it ideal for those seeking a clean and nourishing meal. If you're looking for a simple, wholesome ingredient to support your digestive health, this is a great choice. What people say. This organic yellow mung dal cooks quickly and evenly. The dal has a great texture and flavor, perfect for various Indian dishes. It's a good source of protein and fiber, making it a healthy addition to meals. Number 4. Banyan Botanicals Kitchari Kit. Embark on a journey of digestive wellness with our Kitchari Kit. It's designed to support your body's natural cleansing processes and reset your digestion. Inside, you'll find organic yellow mung dal, basmati rice, a special spice mix, and ghee. All are sustainably sourced and non-GMO for your peace of mind. Making traditional Kitchari has never been easier. Just combine the included ingredients and follow the simple steps for a nourishing meal. This kit is perfect for Ayurvedic cleanses and digestive resets. Experience a renewed sense of balance and well-being from the inside out. Enjoy the pure, vegetarian goodness of this kit. It's crafted with care to bring you the benefits of Ayurveda in a convenient package. We are committed to sustainability, bringing you ingredients that are good for you and the planet. Taste the difference that quality makes. What we like. This is a comprehensive kit designed for Ayurvedic cleansing and digestive resets. It includes everything you need to make Kitchari, simplifying the process. If you're interested in exploring Ayurvedic practices or need a convenient way to start a digestive reset, this kit is perfect for you. What people say. This organic yellow mung dal cooks quickly and evenly. The dal has a great texture and flavor, perfect for various Indian dishes. It's a good source of protein and fiber, making it a healthy addition to meals. Number 3. Banyan Botanicals Organic Kitchari Blend. Introducing our pre-blended organic yellow mung dal and basmati rice. It's the simple, wholesome base for your next Kitchari meal. Designed to support your body's natural cleansing processes. Enjoy the ease of preparing a dish known for its digestive benefits. Crafted with only the finest organic ingredients. You can trust that it's non-GMO and sustainably sourced for your well-being. Perfect for busy lifestyles, this blend makes creating a nourishing meal quick and convenient. It's a delicious way to care for yourself. This entirely vegan blend offers a complete and satisfying meal. Experience the goodness of nature in every bite. What we like. Enjoy the ultimate convenience with this pre-blended mix of dal and rice. It's specifically formulated for making Kitchari, making meal prep incredibly fast. If you're short on time but want to enjoy the benefits of cleansing and easy digestion, this is the ideal solution. What people say. This organic yellow mung dal cooks quickly and evenly, making it a convenient choice for weeknight meals. The dal has a great texture and flavor, perfect for making traditional Indian dishes like dal tadka and khichdi. I appreciate that this product is USDA organic certified, ensuring it's free from synthetic pesticides and GMOs. Number 2. Jiva Organic Yellow Mung Dal 2 lb. Discover the wholesome goodness of Jiva Organic Yellow Mung Dal. Sourced with care, it's a pantry staple you can trust. Enjoy peace of mind with our non-GMO and gluten-free Yellow Mung Dal. It's naturally pure and perfect for any diet. Elevate your Kitchari with our premium split yellow mung beans. They cook to perfection, adding authentic flavor to your favorite dish. Experience the convenience of split yellow mung beans. They are easy to digest and cook quickly, making meal prep a breeze. Our 2LB package ensures you have plenty of this versatile ingredient on hand. It's perfect for everyday cooking and special meals. Trust Jiva Organic for quality you can taste. We are committed to bringing you the finest organic ingredients for your kitchen. What we like. This product offers a pure, simple ingredient that is both non-GMO and gluten-free. It's highlighted as being great for Kitchari, providing a versatile base for your meals. If you prioritize clean ingredients and are looking for a reliable split yellow mung bean for your Kitchari recipes, this is a solid option. What people say. The organic mung dal cooks quickly and evenly. It has a good texture and flavor for dals and sprouts. The packaging keeps the dal fresh for a long time. Number 1. Organic Tattva Yellow Mung Dal 500g. Discover the wholesome goodness of organic Tattva's Yellow Mung Dal. It's a protein-rich and easy-to-digest pulse, perfect for your daily meals. Packed with essential protein, this dal is gentle on your stomach. Enjoy a nutritious meal without any discomfort. Experience the authentic taste of home-style cooking with our pure, unpolished pulses. It retains its natural nutrients and flavor. Make it a staple in your kitchen for a healthy lifestyle. It's the perfect choice for everyday cooking and balanced nutrition. Choose organic Tattva for the finest organic ingredients. We bring you quality pulses, directly from the farm to your home. What we like. This dal is a protein powerhouse that's easy on your stomach and purely organic. Its unpolished nature means you're getting a more natural product. If you're seeking a nutritious, everyday dal for your daily cooking that's both healthy and easy to prepare, this is an excellent home-style choice. What people say. The organic yellow mung dal cooks quickly and evenly, making it a convenient choice for weeknight meals. Its fine texture and bright yellow color make it visually appealing and easy to incorporate into various dishes. This organic mung dal has a mild, nutty flavor that complements a wide range of spices and ingredients. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.